Ntuko ya narua munini wa ngavana kauntini ya Meru MUTUMA Ntwithingia ni akinyite mbere ya kamiti ya ukinyaniria bwa mibango ya thirikari na chomba implementation committee na aria akinyite kuweza na weru kumania na baruga iria kamiti ije yamukirite kuma kiriwe. Akiaria mbere ya kamiti ije retongeretwe ni MC wa Muthara Aurelio Murangiri, DG MUTUMA na ithurite kinya nyuma ya kamiti ya JLAC kwendekithia OBC ya ngavana kurungamira ngarama ya MAGUTA jangari yawe ya THIRIKARI mwankira nande ekagira ngari iu MAGUTA gukurukira mukojo wawe MUTUMA na GUTARIRIA.
Mthenya narua munini wa ngavana MUTUMA Ntwithingia no kinyite committee implementation.
I swear that the information that I shall give before this committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Kenda kumenya kethira mendekiria jaja athithitwe county assembly ji jege munini wa ngavana kire manthu jo OBC yawe kwithurekia wa MBECA ko ya kithithika
yamwe yayo ne kuwa atiko wa facilitation ya ngareke kinya wikirwa mauta ingi ne kuwa staff ba webo bichi including ndereva oke na PA oke batacho okwe ngwine ne mbere ire bati kulilwa kana number 1 ari kubwithia subvote yo bichi DG through Department of Finance bareta supplementary budget ambayo nya supplementary budget itaretwa so mwanka thai matari ara tandatu yare kubwithwa te yabwithitwe
twaseta an example Kenya mzima no mwanka governors by shima ma deputies bo na no mwanka deputy governors nyabo oyabora governors bo setero mbecha no ntu nyabo ibaringeri kura iwa 90 kinya deputy governors ba setero nabo kagina ko kautuma baumba kurutira wananchi baraba baringire kura
kankwenda kuga no mwanka tuhakikishe dupite wetu na gwitira Meru ngogera kwagirite na baringire kura bebo baire ataringire governor wenka na no mwanka Meru bone service ya dupite liweri waro
amna bobu munini wa ngavana i committee ji augoto garuku bonekana no ntutembe charaewa nyamantu jange mwanya manene na county Meru jatigwitira kubaterie.
Things are not as light as we would want to discuss it in this committee. We should really look for the solutions that are ailing or to the issues that are ailing Meru County is on how to really liberate Meru County, because Meru County is under siege. We are under captivity, some form of captivity, and it's you and me. But I know we're in the same basket, frustrated together.
Kulingana munini wa ngavana agwenda muno OBC yawe kwithwekia wa MBECA ndikini nya gwitaka omeka Meru kire micemania ya thirikari ira ngavana wa Meru ati ukinya.
Because we are losing big time in the opportunities that are, you know, presented by the national government. Because the deputy governor, I would really love to be representing my county in those forums. But how would I fuel the Gazla high machine that is supposed to be fueled by the government to attend to the meetings in Naivasha?
Na mushemene jwambere njwetu takirotera ne jura ngavana baratirime mutongiri wa mugongo.
Just 1 week ago, the president had called for the executive meeting at in Naivasha, where the deputy governors and the governors, the CSs and the MPs, but Meru County government, myself and Mama Governor, were not present in such a high-profile meeting where you meet with the opportunities, the development partners, ministries that maybe you would want to advance some request about the challenges that are bedeviling the Meru County.
Mushemene jwairi ni ara ngavana von Mount Kenya barone bashemene na ngavana wa Meru ationekane.
Call it CEREB, where all the counties under Mount Kenya region meet together again to deliberate on how we can maximize on the opportunities that are there as a block, so that every county present the issues that are ailing their county, the limitations that they have, the proposals that we have, so that we can hear from others what they are doing. But again, Meru County
Nguruki munini wa ngavana MUTUMA ntwithinkia akiuga ati komenya niki gitumi askari bara bai morito thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru itero kithakene na ara bakaria ng'ombe iteiwe bareto matauni-ini kwagagia antu.
The land cruiser that was helping our people in that region and the rangers who were trained by the county government to offer or reinforce security agencies in that region were withdrawn to come and help in clobbering and beating Latif, who is intercepting and interjecting the official motor vehicle of the deputy governor from being towed to Nairobi for a simple repair that was done at my official residence.
Na nandi MCA baba BARUGA endekithia riao baugite thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ereta supplementary budget baketha bakimwathurira na nani kuombekana nikio gitumi mwankira nandi thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru itareta supplementary budget
ntekwenda kuwa ni onto bwa DG lakini no kwithire kwebwo no onto kuringana na recommendation cietu imwe yayo yaua either the county executive through the department of finance create kintu kita subvote ebwethia subvote ekunenkera obichie DG MBECA na eke akwithira etebwethia bou ndira supplementary budget ekaretwa county assembly ya Meru eke akwithira bou butabwethika through the executive bongwa babwethia subvote na baikire DG MBECA through the supplementary budget. So no kwethira that is the reason kana kwethira yange lakini tutekuelewa ni ino ndo mwanka thai executive etekuomba kureta supplementary budget tubakilukiria kenda ngwicha Meru iruteka burabu bateri
mind ya governor Kawira Mwangaza ati dhuania kana ationa inyatoro onete that deputy we uramenete sana na kuthadhilisha sana onete kintu kiwitwa facilitation in terms of MBECA tia ofisi ya deputy governor we. So kaba inya Meru yonthe kare bura ya kara supplementary budget ire kuya to align bura ko batire anto deputy governor ko tuika kintu kike wito supplementary budget kikeya na solution ya deputy governor we kaba inya kirete witate kaba kirete
Muthuri Murioki, World TV.